So in the previous videos, I already showed you how to change percent to decimal to fraction. Okay, so this time we'll try to solve for the percentage of a given number. So I have here 3 examples, and we will try to solve it in 2 ways, using decimals and also using fractions. Okay, so let's start by changing this one first into a decimal. So we'll just move 2 places to the left. So our answer here is 0.65. Okay, so in mathematics, when you use the word of, or if you see the use of, this just means that you're going to multiply. So we're just going to multiply 0.65 by 100. Okay, so let's try to solve. Pila man na ang, okay, 100 times 0.65. So 0.05006. Then add 0.056. Then we have 2 decimal places. So move sa ta diri na, 2, 1, 2. So our answer is, okay, 65, no? Now let's try to solve it using the fraction form. So kung fraction, so you're just going to copy the number and then put a denominator of 100. Then of means you're going to multiply by 100. Okay, we will make 100 a fraction by putting 1 as the denominator, and then multiply both the numerators, then both the denominators. So 65 times 100 is equal to, okay, 6,500. And then 100 times 1 is 100. And then you're going to divide. Okay, I'll show you a shortcut. You just simply cross out the number of zeros. No, depende, no, kung pila ang naa sa baba o ubos na zero. So here, duha ka zero, naaman sa duha ka zero sa babaw. So pwede po na nato siya i-cancel para ang imuhang i-divide ng number gamay na lang. So 65 divided by 1. Okay, the answer is 65. So they have the same answer here, right? So maski pa og imuhang pilion kani nga paagi, changing it to decimal or changing it to fraction, you should arrive at the same answer. So the answer here is 65. Okay, now let's try number 2. So we have 90% of 120 is blank. So we'll change it into decimal. So by moving two places to the left, so 1, 2. So we'll have here 0.90, or if you want to add 0, pwede rasad ha. Of means multiply, no? So 0.90 times 120. So let's multiply that. Okay, times 0.90. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 18, carry 1, 9, 10. Then add 0, 0, 8, 0, 1. So we have we move 2 decimal places here. So naman tayo duha ka decimal places. So move putag duha 1, 2. So our answer is 108. Now let's try to check kung pareha bag answer sa fraction form. Okay, so we'll make 90 a fraction form by adding a denominator of 100 and then multiply by 120. Okay, so that nahimo sa siyang fraction, butangan na to siya denominator of 1. Okay, so katong gigamit na ko nga trick ganihan, no, nga you're going to cancel out ang mga zeros. So kay both the numerator and denominator na may 0, pwede nyo magamit para mogamay na lang ang number nga inyong i-multiply. So atong suwayan, ha. So anyway, parihar gyapon na siya tubag. So may mo na siyang 9 times 120, no. So pila man ang 9 times 120. Okay, so 0, 18, carry 1, 10. Okay, so that is 1,080. Then kani 10 naman lang ni divided by 10, no? Okay, di sa yun rasa. Oh, okay, and then 1080 divided by 10 is equal to 108. Okay, o pwede lagyan nimo o kuhaon nimo ang 0 sa babaw, usa ka circle sa ubos. As long as naa sa right side ang mga 0, you can cancel them out. Nya, kung pila ka 0 ay magi-cancel sa ubos, mapud sa babaw. No? So, ang mabilin 108 over 1 or which is equal to 108. So, same na gyapon siya og answer sa ani nga paagi. Okay, last. We have 25% of 80. So yeah, let's try to change this into decimal by moving 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So we have 0.25 or 0.25 alone. Then of means you're going to multiply. So 80. So pila man ni siya? 80 times 0.25. So 40. 0, 16. 0, 0, 10, carry 1, 2. Then move to decimal places. So that is pila. Okay. So the answer here is 20. Let's try to check sa fraction form. So for the fraction form, we'll have 25 and then the denominator, which is 100. Then times 80. So we'll make 80 a fraction by putting 1 as a denominator. So kani nga part wala tay di ta pwede maka-shortcut no, maka-cancel sa mga 0 kay dili man sila pareho nga ang babaw ug ang ubos nga naay 0. So we have to multiply this jud. So multiply the numerators and the denominators. Pila man ni ang 25 times 80. Okay, 0, 0, 8 times 5, 40. Okay, 8 times 2, 16, plus 4 is 20. So 0, 0, 0, 2, no? And then, we'll write it down here, 2,000. Okay, then 100 times 1 is 100. So 2,000 divided by 100 is okay, 20. So the same answer. So 25% of 80 is 20. Okay, so I hope you learn a few tricks on how to change or to solve for the percentage of a given number, and then try to ask your parents to give you example and practice solving at home.